I've known two things my whole life. We serve the Lord and we play the piano. Music has always been a big part of our family. My mom is an incredible pianist, and a gift that she wanted to give to all of us was also the gift of music. Fast forward to high school years, I cannot even tell you how excited I was. I had watched all of my other siblings go through fine arts. A couple years into high school, it was time for me to decide what college I wanted to go to. There was a little bit of a battle in the house. I wanted to go to a state school, and my parents wanted me to go to a Christian university. And I told the Lord, if I win fine arts this year, which was the absolute craziest thing in the world to me, then I will go to a school that my parents want me to go to. I went to fine arts, and I remember playing my first round, and I got the highest score I had ever got. I thought, oh no, I'm in big trouble here. And when I got to the third round and I played and I didn't make any mistake, I had a pit in my stomach because I knew something supernatural was happening here. I woke up the morning of the celebration service. I just had a feeling of, I think I might have won. I think the Lord might be speaking to me. I remember not wanting to go. I told my dad I don't really want to go, and I did not have a choice. He said, we're going. And when they announced the winner and my name was up there on the screen, I just began to shake. I knew that God was speaking to me and saying, Raquel, you don't need to worry. I've got this. I chose to go to Evangel University. It was one of the best decisions of my life. And I can remember receiving a phone call from a local church saying, hey Raquel, we heard you play the piano. Would you be able to come out tonight and play for our choir rehearsal? And their choir was larger than my home church. This is a church where weekly they have over 12,000 people, and at some of our community outreaches, over 100,000 people were in attendance. I ended up doing an internship with them my senior year. When it got time for graduation, I was approached to come on staff with them. That opened up a whole new world of opportunities. I went from not just playing the piano, but to helping produce the music. And then I got approached a couple years later on how would I like to be the one producing the events. And I thought, are you kidding me? But with the Lord's help, and I said yes. And that led to just a series of being behind the scenes, leading into directing conferences, events, and just the whole production scene. It was definitely a lot bigger than a job I thought I could do. God took the small thing of me playing the piano to turning into something way bigger than I could ever have imagined for myself. God writes our story much better than we do. And when we stay faithful, He's gonna take care of the rest, and He's gonna turn it into something more than we could ever imagine or dream.